Ding dong.
Hello there. What do you say? Oh, I have some nice vegetables for you.
Yeah.
Wow. Here, let me put it in your pumpkin. Yeah, your pumpkin in your hand. You gotta put your vegetables in there. We don't believe in candy. Bye.